Garmin has built a strong reputation for designing rugged, feature-packed smartwatches that appeal to adventurers, endurance athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Fenix series, in particular, has become a trusted companion for those who love exploring the outdoors. Whether tackling multi-day treks or pushing through intense triathlons, the Fenix lineup is known for its durability, comprehensive health tracking, and innovative features. The latest model, the Fenix 8, already stands out as a top-tier fitness smartwatch. It offers advanced health metrics like sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and blood oxygen levels. One notable addition is its built-in LED flashlight, a surprisingly useful tool for nighttime runs or camping. It even includes a microphone and speaker, allowing users to take calls, provided their smartphone is nearby. But imagine a world where you didn't need to bring your phone at all to stay connected. Lately, there's been growing speculation that Garmin may introduce standalone LTE functionality to its premium models, including the Fenix 8. While Garmin hasn't officially confirmed this, subtle clues suggest a big development is on the horizon. The idea is that Garmin could be integrating full LTE capability, enabling their watches to make calls, send messages, and receive notifications independently. Currently, the Fenix 8 depends on a connected phone for features like answering calls, but hints from the Garmin Connect app, where LTE is now listed alongside Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, indicate that standalone connectivity might be coming. If Garmin moves in this direction, it could be a major game changer. Being able to leave your phone behind without sacrificing connectivity would be a huge advantage for adventurers and athletes. Instead of limiting LTE use to safety alerts or location sharing, Garmin may be preparing to unlock a full range of communication features directly from the watch. And it's not just the Fenix 8 that's rumored to receive these upgrades. Reports suggest other models, like the Enduro 3, the Fenix E, and even the Tactical Tactics 8, might also be equipped with LTE. This points to a broader shift in Garmin's approach, hinting at an expansion of LTE capabilities across multiple premium watches, rather than testing it on just a couple of devices. However, adding LTE isn't without challenges. Platform compatibility is a big hurdle, particularly with Apple's ecosystem, which doesn't allow number sharing with non-Apple devices. This limitation means iPhone users may not get the same seamless experience as they would with an Apple Watch. Android users, on the other hand, are likely to benefit more immediately. With brands like Samsung and Google already offering LTE-enabled watches that can call, message, and stream music without a phone, Garmin's potential LTE upgrade could position it as a strong alternative for Android users seeking an independent smartwatch. Even if Garmin focuses on limited LTE functions like live tracking, SOS alerts, and location sharing, it would still be a significant upgrade, especially for iPhone users wanting to stay connected during outdoor activities without carrying their phone. Consider the possibilities: heading out on a remote trail or a long bike ride while staying connected from your wrist. You could make emergency calls, update your location in real time, or even upload fitness data on the go. For ultra-endurance athletes, solo travelers, and military professionals, this kind of autonomy could make a meaningful difference. Beyond extreme use cases, everyday users could benefit too. Whether you're jogging, camping, or running errands, the convenience of staying connected without a phone could make Garmin watches more appealing for daily wear. If Garmin fully commits to LTE, its watches could evolve from fitness tools into standalone devices that blend health tracking, communication, and connectivity. The company faces two main paths. It could offer a full LTE experience complete with calls, messaging, and app support, effectively turning its watches into phone alternatives, competing directly with Apple and Samsung. Or it could take a more focused route, emphasizing safety and tracking features while leaving communication features more limited. Both approaches would elevate Garmin's offerings, each catering to different user needs. Either way, moving toward LTE would likely boost Garmin's appeal, attracting both loyal users and newcomers looking for greater freedom from their phones. Ultimately, Garmin's rumored leap into LTE could reshape the role of smartwatches, offering more freedom and functionality to users who demand durability and versatility. The question now is, would you embrace a fully connected Garmin watch, or do you still prefer having your phone close by? One thing's clear: if Garmin brings LTE to its lineup, the smartwatch landscape is about to get even more exciting.